Are you ready to earn real money from home in 2025? Imagine launching your own mini factory with affordable machines like a plastic shredder or a custom t-shirt printer. You could make up to $4,000 a month just by recycling plastic or creating your own cosmetics. Prefer a hustle? Become a field inspector using just your phone and car to land gigs that pay up to $400 a day. Plus, leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to create digital products you can sell online. Turn your laptop into a money machine with ebooks or social media content. This year is your chance to transform your skills and time into serious cash. Don't let another year pass you by.